Okay, so I want you all to multiply 42 by 67. Two-digit multiplication, what we learned in our last class. And you all will write the answers in the chat box. Okay, who has done? Whoever is done, you can unmute yourself and give the answer. जिस
दीदी
भी
वन
बच्चों का one person, beta, one person will speak. Very good. I can see the Harsh. You can unmute yourself and say what answer you got.
two 2,841
Very good. That's great. Well done. Very good, Arman. And now, if you all can check your WhatsApp messages, there is one link which Didi has asked you. So you will go on that link. जो blue color का link आता है, you will click on that and you will write this keyword of multiplication. Okay, you will write the keyword of multiplication. Whatever you remember, you will write on it. Understood? For that, you need to go on a WhatsApp group, class WhatsApp group, and you will click on blue color link. There is a blue color link given to you. You will press on it, where you will click on it, and जैसे ही आप click करोगे, you will be going to a Padlet, and in that Padlet you will write the keywords. आपको जो भी कीवर्ड याद आ रहा है, you will be showing it to me. Okay, so are you ready? Again, I'll give you 1 minute to do this activity. Go to the link, WhatsApp link, or else I will give you on the chat box as well. मैं यहाँ पर आपको chat box पे भी दे देती हूँ, so that you can go. Okay, see in the chat box I have written there is one link. Click on it and then you will be going it to the Padlet part. Sumed, you are raising hand, beta. Sumed, you want to share something?
No.
Okay. So you all, can you see the Padlet link? And in that Padlet, you can write this answer also. What answer you have you got by multiplying 42 and 67? That answer and a multiplication. First, you will write a keyword for multiplication and then the answers too.
दीदी मेरे को ये नहीं आ रहा।
बेटा ये जो ब्लू कलर की लिंक है ना चैट में, you go and see in this chat and then just click on this chat पे दीदी ने ना आपको कुछ भेजा है लिंक, just click on it and then you will be in a Padlet website.
दीदी मैंने
उसमें आपको
किया,
just
मेरा नहीं आ रहा।
try one more time. Yes, I can see some kids have. Very good. You all can write the name also. आपको नाम भी लिखना है because one interesting part I am going to show it to you. One kid has written each. Very good. आपने जो भी लिखा है मुझे दिख रहा है. But I can see only 2 responses. I want more responses. And you can write your name also. Just click on the link. रोहित ने सिर्फ नाम लिखकर भेजा है. रोहित उसके नीचे आपको ये भी लिखना था. Um, Janvi Didi, can you go on this link please? And then you can share this part also on your screen.
Yes, yes, sure. Can you please share the link?
It's there in the chat box.
Yeah, I'll just check it out.
Yeah, and then you can present this. Okay, by that time, if some kids are not able to do that, I want you all to say it orally. I will tag Faiza. Faiza, say one keyword for multiplication. Faiza, unmute yourself, beta, and say keyword. Yes, Faiza. Faiza,
यस दीदी।
say one keyword for multiplication. आपको multiplication के keyword में से कोई एक बोलना है.
यस दीदी अभी भी नहीं हो रहा।
It's okay, Jay. This is a new thing which we are trying now. So next time you will definitely do it. I can see some kids. I can see many responses. I can see Kaustubh, Gargi, Ayush, and many kids are there on my Padlet page. Okay, I'll do this. Can you see this? Can you see your responses? And are you excited to go look for this? See. I can see your responses. Per Shreyas has written, Shreyas must have written something, but he's unable to do that. Times, then each, group of, Gargi has given the answer for the multiplication, then twice. Can you see this all? आप जो भी लिख रहे हो ना वो यहाँ पर आ रहा है. So this is very good to see ना. I want more kids. Faiza. Faiza, say one keyword for multiplication, please.
दीदी
Okay.
दीदी कौन सा कीवर्ड?
Yeah, Faiza, multiplication keyword. So this is done. Okay. You all can use afterwards also, and good to see that you are using this Padlet so nicely. Okay. Thank you. Okay. So we will begin with our class. Yeah, Janvi Didi, you can present. So just a recap and a division, a keyword. Didi, next. Yeah, our keywords for multiplication are uh, Jay, can you repeat these words once again? Jay will unmute and repeat these words. Jay, be quick. Jay, can you read these words? Saurav, Saurav Pal, can you read these words?
दीदी
Unmute
मैं
yourself.
ग्रुप जैसा कीवर्ड ऑफ ग्रुप ऑफ
Yeah, Jay, go ahead. Jay,
ग्रुप्स ऑफ ट्वाइस टाइम्स पर double each altogether product equal groups multiply.
okay, thank you. And this is the sign for multiplication. Okay, thank you. So you, these are the keywords. If you all must have forgotten, this is just a reminder, and please keep these keywords in your mind. Yeah, Didi, next slide. Okay, so today we are going to learn, we will be solving word problems based on multiplication. Okay, today we will solve word problems. Okay, next. Okay. So what are the steps to do, what are the steps which we need to follow for a word multiplication word problem? My first step is I will look for the keywords. So abhi, now just now we saw the keywords. So in the sentence, you will look for the keywords. Okay. Then you will search for the numbers we need to multiply. आप ढूंढोगे कौन सा नंबर हमें मल्टीप्लाई करना है, and then you will multiply both the numbers and get the final answer. Is that everybody is clear with the uh, steps? Didi, next slide. Okay, so let's solve this. And the first question is, there are 47. I want all of you to be ready with a book and a pencil in your hand. Okay, handy hona chahiye aapke paas pencil or notebook. So Faiza, be ready. Faiza, now I'm going to ask you what here, which keyword can you see? There are 47 children in the class. Each student will get 38 pencils. How many pencils will the teacher give out? Uh, Anushka Didi, you can just use the highlight option, please, because if I'm reading the question, you can just highlight that part. So, Faiza, now will you tell me uh, here where is the keyword? Faiza?
The
Each. The answer is
did.
Saurav. Your name is Faiza, beta. Only Faiza will answer. Faiza, go ahead.
Yes.
Keyword kya hai? There are 47 children in the class. Each student will get 38 pencils. So where is the keyword is each. Okay. So Janvi Didi, can you I cannot annotate on it. Janvi Didi, you are here. So
Yes, yes.
can you highlight that each part? Because I am
Yeah,
not.
I will do that.
Okay. So Faiza, very good. Faiza gave me the answer that is each. So we are done with the first. The second part, the second step is number which we need to multiply. Saurav, Can you identify two numbers which we need to multiply? Now only Saurabh will unmute. Saurabh?
47 and 38.
47 and 38. Well done, Saurabh. Now I want all of you to multiply 47 and 38 quickly. Your time starts now and you will write the answers in the chat box. You can use the highlight option also. Janvi Didi, no need to use the pencil. You can just use the highlighter. Use the chat box. क्या? Yes, Jay?
47 और 38 का मल्टीप्लाई करना है.
Yes, the second step is number which we need to multiply. हमें अब यहाँ पर two numbers दिख रहे हैं. That is 47 and 38. So you are going to multiply 47 and 38. Okay? And quickly write it in the chat box. What is the answer? (47) multiply by 38. Very good, Arya. Well done. I can see the answer from Arya. Very good, Arya. I want other kids to use the chat box and give the answers, please. And Arya, can you show me your working? आपने कहा book में जो किया है, can you show it to us?
Yes, Didi.
Yeah, show it na beta. Arya, yeah, show the book. आप अपनी book के पास दिखा सकते हो. Yes. Can you see this? Arya's working. Very good, Arya. Okay. Saurav. See, Arya has... Okay. Saurav. Very good. Thank you. Didi, next slide. I hope other kids have written the multiplication number. So let's solve this together. We are going to solve this together. I will tag the kid's name. मैं दीदी आपका नाम लेंगे. So my next question is, Seema has, Janvi Didi, can you just use the highlighter? Seema has 3 dozens of golf ball. Seema has 3 dozens of golf ball. How many golf ball does she have? This is my question. Okay. So, Jay, what is my keyword in this question?
Many.
Yeah, very good. Answer, the keyword is many. Okay. Now, my next question is, what will I multiply? मैं क्या मुझे कौन से दो numbers multiply करने हैं? I can see only 3, right? I can see here only 3. So, I know only one number, that is 3 I need to multiply. But what is my other number? My another number is dozen. Janvi Didi, can you highlight dozen? With your highlighter or something?
Didi 36.
Who gave this answer? Soham. Soham, how did you got the answer 36? Yes, Soham. So, my dozen means 12. My dozen means what? डजन होता है, डजन का मतलब ही होता है 12. अगर जैसे हम if we go to our shop and we take 1 dozen banana means the shopkeeper will give you not one banana, he will give you 12 bananas. So whenever you see the word dozen, that means you will multiply by 12. Okay? Try this one time. If you go to a shopkeeper and you will say give me 1 dozen egg, आप उन्हें बोलोगे मुझे 1 dozen egg चाहिए, he will not give you only one egg, he will give you 12 eggs. So we got the answer that what are we going to multiply? 12 into 3, right? We will be multiplying 12 into 3. So what is my answer? As Soham gave me, Soham, yeah, very good, Krishna. 1 dozen. So how many how many total eggs will I have? Sorry, how many total golf ball will I have, Krishna? 36. Well done. Now we will go to our next question. There are 35 calories in a Cadbury. What Cadbury we have? In that we have 35 calories. How many calories are there in 15 Cadburys? When we have 1 calorie, we intake 35 calories. So, Soham, what is my keyword in this question again? My keyword is how many.
Didi many.
Yeah, many is my keyword. Soham, what will I multiply, beta? Which two numbers will I multiply?
35.
Yeah, say. Soham, go
Didi
ahead.
35 and 15.
Very good, Soham. So we are going to multiply 35 into 15. Quickly multiply 35 and 15. Give me the answers. Great. I can see kids are replying and our speed is very good. Who gives the first answer? Krishna, very good.
525.
Very good, Jay. Well done. Good. And I can see all of you are replying so well. Thank you, Jay. We will be waiting for some more responses. Krishna, well done. Krishna and Jay. Some more responses I want. Sangam, beta, can you do this again? Do multiply again. And do it slowly, okay? I want at least more 2 to 3 responses and then we can go ahead. Arya, very good. Kaustubh, very good. 1, 2 more responses. Faiza, well done. Okay, Didi, next slide, please. Okay, so this question, you all will do it, okay? And then if you do this in your class, there is no homework for you, okay? So my first question is, Nancy, Fred, and Sandy and Sally each have 26 Pokemon cards. How many Pokemon cards do they have in all? Harshita, can you tell me a keyword in this question, question number 6? Which keyword, can you highlight that thing, Harshita? What? Harshita, Saurav, Harshita, I'm asking Harshita. Harshita, unmute. Ayush. Ayush.
मुझे कुछ समझ
Ayush.
दीदी 104
This is the answer which you are giving it to me. जय, ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 का आंसर आप दे रहे हो?
यस
वेरी गुड जय. जय, कैन यू एक्सप्लेन आपने ये कैसे किया? What you did multiplication. Now we can see only one part, that is 26. We got the number, that is how many. Okay, many is my keyword, but I have only 26. What to multiply? Okay, there are the names which are given: Nancy, Fred, Sunny and Sally. There are 4 friends. Okay, yahan par we have 4 kids. So Jay, what have you multiplied?
दीदी मैंने मल्टीप्लाई नहीं किया, मतलब मैंने 426 के बंडल किया और उसको प्लस किया.
But here we need to do multiply, na Jay? I know addition is a part of multiplication, but here we will multiply. So आप क्या multiply करोगे? Yes, 26 into 4, right? So what answer are you getting? (26 into 4). What is my answer? Very good, Krishna. Krishna, well done.
4.
What is the answer? What is my answer? Answer?
दीदी 104.
Very good. 104 is my answer. Quickly go to the second question. Other kids, you can write the answers in the chat box. Benny has 17 books. Okay. Katie has 5 times more books than Benny. How many books does Katie have? Okay. So what are we going to multiply? I want the answer from Sangam. Sangam, in question number 7, which 2 numbers are we going to multiply? Sangam?
5.
5 and what? 5, 2 numbers हमें multiply करने हैं ना संगम? So we will multiply what? Which 2 numbers? Anyone else? Ankita? Ankita, would you like to try for the question number 7?
Yes, ma'am.
Which 2 numbers are you going to multiply?
5.
Ankita, can you say this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, go ahead. Which 2 numbers are you going to multiply? Try.
70.
Very good. And?
70.
Yes.
5.
Very good. You will multiply 17 into 5. Kids, quickly multiply 17 and 5 and give the answers in the chat box.